Now let's talk about the roles that are being taken up in an MUN conferences. Now there are two sides of the table that you will find when you will come to participate in an MUN conference. In the first side of the table, you meet some people who will represent themselves as a member state representative or a delegate of any member nation of the United Nations. Then on the other side of the table, you will find some conference officials, and those conference officials are none other than the chairperson of your committee and the committee secretary. Now let's talk about your role as a delegate. You represent a member nation, so you are called as a member state representative. And in a very precise fashion, you'll also be known as the diplomats. You are one of those distinguished people who are learned and trusted by your government officials. You are the ambassadors of your representative of your respective countries. You are believed to be someone really extraordinary and at the end of the day who carries a significant potential to represent your member nation. Now, how it's expected of you to address each other? It's expected, since you are a UN diplomat and someone with the consideration of the highest order, you'll greet your fellow delegates with the utmost professionalism. Not just your fellow delegates, but you'll have a courtesy towards the member of the secretariat, the conference officials, and last but certainly not the least, even the other conference staff people who may or may not have an important say in the decision making of the committee.